Welcome back. In this video, we're gonna talk about the Ether channel. Just like on our previous video about the STP or the spanning tree protocol, we were gonna have almost the same diagram having the VLAN 7, VLAN 17, and VLAN 77 and their corresponding network addresses. In this activity, we're going to talk about EtherChannel, which is also known as link aggregation. It is a technology that bundles multiple physical network links together to create a single logical link. And this logical link acts as a single high bandwidth connection, increasing overall throughput and providing redundancy. As we can see in this activity, we have the LACP as the port channel 1, PAGP as the port channel 2, and then port channel 3. After making sure of the connectivity of the ports to each switches, we can now configure each switches enable, configure terminal, and then we were gonna command interface range and the connected ports. And then after that, we were gonna issue the channel group command. And in this case, we will gonna have the first group, which is 1, and we will issue its mode, which is active, since we will gonna have an LACP. In LACP, we have 3 modes: the active, the passive, and on. Now, after the command channel group 1 mode active, we will gonna go to the interface port channel 1 and then issue the command switch port mode trunk. And to verify the Ether channel, we will gonna issue the command show Ether channel summary or the show Ether sum. And then we will gonna also do this on the other switch. And in this case, we're still gonna use the mode active to initiate negotiation. As you can see, we have the LACP for ports 1 and 2 for port channel 1. Now on PAGP for port channel 2, we're gonna configure the switch. And we will go to the ports that are connected to the switch, which are F03 to 4. And then the same command, the channel group. And now for the second port, we have 2 and then the mode desirable. On PAGP operation, we have also 3 modes: the on, the PAGP desirable, and the PAGP auto. And in this case, we use the desirable because we want to initiate the negotiation. After that command, we go to the interface port channel 2 and then we issue the command switch port mode trunk to issue a trunk port. And then to verify if we already made the Ether channel, we issue the show Ether sum. As we can see, we have the PAGP operation. After that, we will also gonna configure the switch 2 with the same configuration, enable, and then the configure terminal, and then we go to the interface F02 to 3, and then we will issue the command channel group 2 again, and then the mode desirable. And then we will gonna access the interface port channel 2 in this case, and then the switch port mode trunk to configure it as a trunk port. After that, we can issue the command show EtherSum to verify the Ether channel. As we can see, we have the PAGP. And now we're gonna proceed to the port channel 3. In this case, we're not issuing the operation of PAGP or either LACP. So we will go to the switch 2 and then the range of the ports that are connected to the switch. Which are the F04 and F024. And then the channel group 3. And in this case, we're gonna issue the mode on, since this mode forces the interface to channel without PAGP or either LACP. And to verify, show EtherSum, and as you can see, we don't have a mode, but it exists. Then we also configure the switch 1 for the port channel 3. And now to verify the connectivity of the PCs in simulation mode, we ping. And as we can see, it is successful. So therefore, our Ether channel is working.